Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ALCHEMY PAY daily update. Do we have a chance to go even higher? Let's see. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription via our brand new website. And not only, I have all the links in the description box. You will get amazing benefits joining us. You will get to tell me to communicate, actually to ask me whatever you want via the website. Okay, and of course it's just one click away. Cancel anytime you like, join us, and you won't regret it. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins. We are waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go to ALCHEMY PAY in USD to see a little bit of risk metrics. Right now, we are going to see if we have a high risk. Where are we? Can we pump up from now on? Can we get even higher than the 0.091 we went upwards? Let's see. So on the 4-hour frame, we have something that we call an oversold situation with all the other risk metrics except the RSI, the relative strength index. You can see once the relative strength index goes down from the 20, then we have an oversold situation, not the 20, the 30, sorry. So the default settings are the bottom line to be the 30, so the neutral position for the RSI for this yellow line is between 30 and 70. Above the 70, we have an overbought situation. That means too many buyers have stepped in. And below the 30, we have an oversold situation. That means too many sellers have stepped in. Now we do not have anything, but if we check the other risk metrics, for example, the stochastic RSI and the Fisher transform right here, we have a pretty much of an oversold situation, including maybe the commodity channel index that it isn't yet below the minus 100, but we might be going a little bit further down and then we pump. We are going to see the next targets in a while. Do not worry about that. Let's see the risk metrics on the daily frame as well to see if we can go even higher or we can correct even more, because we might correct even more. Okay, so you can see that with the commodity channel index right there, we are having the pump and tab we talked about in the previous update for ALCHEMY PAY. Okay, and now we want to see whether we can go potentially even lower. We might be going there. We are going to see the price targets and the potential buying entries for you. We are going to ACH Bitcoin chart. Right now we have a buying opportunity around this area that we are right now for ALCHEMY PAY against Bitcoin. You can see we had a pump and dump for ALCHEMY PAY against Bitcoin as well, and we want to see if we can manage to get another pump and dump. Okay, because right now it is looking like ALCHEMY PAY is having some quick price actions and then drop downs, right? And it isn't a smooth price action, although this whole thing right there, this whole area, I think for ALCHEMY PAY is a reaccumulation phase. Okay, we are seeing a reaccumulation phase for ALCHEMY PAY, so in the long term we might be going even higher above the 24 cents that we went, but for the time being we do not have a clear buying entry. Okay, none of these are financial advices, just my personal humble opinion. So we are going to the price targets and we are going to see the potential of ALCHEMY PAY and if we have a nice price target to buy. Okay, because right now what we want to do is that we want to simply go into the trend-based Fibonacci extension. This is a tool that will help us the most, and go to the bottom. I will tell you actually where I went from what bottom and what top. So we went from the bottom on 27 October 2021 to the top back on 4 November and to the bottom on 20 December. And you can see that we had a very huge resistance level, the 0.5 Fibonacci extension line. This is the trend-based Fibonacci extension line, this green line right here, and I will tell you the target right there. So we had the target of around 0.091. We didn't close up above and we dropped after down. So what could be a nice buying entry for ALCHEMY PAY? Okay, we will talk about these things right here, and of course we are going to talk about if we can manage to have a breakout again and to have a small pump up afterwards. So right now my best buying entry for ALCHEMY PAY would be the following one. Okay, I would have as a nice buying entry the 0.055. If we're about to go there down, I think that we could possibly have a buying pressure around here. Okay, so the first buying entry for me would be this one price label right there. The other buying entry we could have is potentially the same as we had the bottom on 8th January. So we have one more at the 0.058. Okay. And I think that if we manage to go and to close above the 0.066, okay, we can maybe go to the next target, which can be the 0.072. I think that this would be my buying entries, those lines right here, and if we close above this one right there. Okay, so you know the next targets, and of course you know in which we might be going, in which target we might be going to. For the time being though, I think that it is a little bit early to buy if you want right now. Not a financial advice, I repeat that. You can do whatever you want, but I think that it is way too risky right now to get in, especially after this pump and dumps right there. You can see when the market is doing that, then we just go a little bit further down and we have a recovery right here, possible another swing high, and then we drop down. So what the market is doing after the pumps and dumps is that we go higher, we go then correcting very fast, and then we have another pump up towards the previous bottom, okay, towards maybe the 0.786 or a little bit higher, okay. So I think that for now you should be waiting. If you are holding ALCHEMY Pay, do not worry. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. All the benefits will come to you from patience. Okay, if you have patience, you will sell in a profits and you won't be having a problem. But if you do not have patience, then you are going to sell, you're going to FOMO, then you're going to sell again because you are thinking you are going to do terrible mistakes after me, actually a mistake after a mistake, okay, because right there you can see that when you have such strong emotions, like for example when you have a loss and you sell at a minus 20% loss, then it is the worst thing you can do, it is to trade, okay. You have to take a step back and you have to realize that right now you shouldn't be trading, and you shouldn't be trading under this pressure that you have. Okay, many mistakes that beginners do is that they think that they can manage to recover the loss, then they are doing the mistake after the mistake, they panic, and then it is over. Okay, just patience. Patience is the key for success, and it is a virtue. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription via our links down below. On the description box, you will get many profits right there. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.